So I'd like to upgrade some RAM sticks. Hopefully there's something for me here. So now I'm gonna take a look at some CPU fans. Alright, so I'm getting a few things. And hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to take a look at the stuff I picked up at Micro Center. And it's one of the best places to shop for computer parts. And every time I go there, the place is packed. So, my PC needs an upgrade on a few parts. So I'll be sharing with you what I got here. And I'm excited. That way I can game a little better and my PC is not as loud. So first thing I needed was some air cans, some air duster, professional 3-pack. I saw these on sale for $8, so I went ahead and bought it. And I got some DDR3 RAM sticks, a total of 32 gigabytes. Right now I'm running 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it's just really outdated stuff. And this one has let's see, 1600. Yeah, so that's gonna be a lot better. I think I'm running 1600 just within the two sticks I have, so this is gonna be a nice little upgrade. I've been wanting to pull the trigger on these, but they're so expensive and sometimes it's just hard to find DDR3. Especially, you know, in a set like this. On an unboxing pocky. I don't know, so a little snack. And I'll do an unboxing on most of this stuff. And the main part I needed was the CPU cooler. I forgot the one I'm running, but it's from... The one I have is called Intermax, and one of the fans broke and I had to take it out, and it's running on one fan. Normally it has two, but this one is really nice. It's a Cooler Master, the Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition. Very nice, has good reviews. So excited to install that. I was just going for this, and then I saw these and I was like, might as well just get it now. I got a little tape measure because I'm always losing these, and I got some thermal paste. Now the thermal compound in here is not that great, I saw in reviews, so I went ahead and bought something separate, and hopefully this does a better job. I got a little gadget cleaner, nice little foam gadget cleaner for my devices, and I'm going to be upgrading my cables to Cat 6. So I have this one for my PS4 and this one for my PC. And it's a Cat 6 high performance. Very good. And excited to see how well these are going to perform for me, as I just have like this random yellow cable for my PC. So let's get started. And I'll be showing you what I got going on my PC right now. Alright, so here is the current state of my PC. It's not in good shape. It's pretty dirty. And it's about time for me to clean it out. Take out all the dust. And replace this CPU cooler. This is the Intermax. It's a little too loud. And I did add more lights, and I did add more fans on this end, and also at the top and on this side, which is nice. And there are my RAM sticks. They're really outdated stuff. They're 800 each, so right now I have 1600 going, and the new sticks I have, one is 8 GB with 1600. That's pretty good. I have 2 SSDs, and here is my Ethernet cable. It's just a regular patch cable, but it's damaged, and that's the reason why I wanted to upgrade. I'm not sure. It says Cat 5e, so I'm gonna have to double check and see what's going on there. So here's my old patch cord, and I think this came included with Xfinity's router, but yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that. First things first, disconnect everything. Actually, I gotta power down. We're gonna power this guy down, and what I'm gonna do is just redo all of this and clean everything and go from there. Yeah, so look at all that stuff. Wow. We're gonna have to really get in there. So the building is replacing the carpet and painting the wall, so this is gonna be perfect for me to blow out. Alrighty, so all cleaned up. We're now gonna take a look at removing the CPU cooler. Okay, so let's remove these fans. Dusty, people. Look at that. Make sure to clean your PC every month or so. I haven't cleaned this thing in a long time. I think it's been about 4-6 months since I last was in here. Yeah, this is a lot of fun, always messing around with my PC. And my computer is a budget PC. It's not the latest and greatest. I got mostly everything on sale except for the for this beautiful graphics card. I actually paid $400 for that guy. So I sold all of my computer parts to buy this guy. And the only thing I kept from my original Cyber PC is pretty much the software, the hard drive, the 2 terabyte hard drive, and the memory sticks here. I do apologize if my hand is in the way, but sometimes you gotta do it. There's the cover for that. And I believe it just pops right off. Oh crap. Ooh. See that? That was not in there good, guys. That is not good. Arthas got to go. And let's see. We got 2 screws holding. Right here. Disconnect the power. I hate where the power is at. It's such a dumb location because then this thing is sticking out. Looks pretty bad. There we go. There's my Galaxy GTX 1060. Beautiful piece. I love it so much. Kind of worried because some of the LEDs are starting to get dim. And I have a 970A Gaming Pro Carbon motherboard. MSI. Now to remove these guys. Look at this crap. This is why you don't ever buy a gaming PC. And what sucks is that we're probably going to have to remove all these too. No big deal. Just going to have to start all over. And yeah. careful not to cut the damn cord. This fan is gonna go in the trash because it's not that good anymore. Now, I have a hard drive in here that's not working, and it's being a pain in the ass, and I'm not sure what to do. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this and see what I can do with it, because it's pretty much useless, and it's just too much weight in there. Now, I'm gonna go back outside and air can this guy again, so that's not gonna be fun for you. I'll be back. So here's the behemoth, and here's the old one. Before I begin all this, I gotta go rinse these off, and once they're rinsed off, I will let them dry, and by the time they're dry, everything should be done. Alright, so right now, I'm basically just wiping down the case. I'm just getting rid of the dust that wasn't sprayed off, and go from there. Such a beautiful case. I've always fell in love with like very simplistic cases. I don't like the ones that are too like there's too much going on. I do love the RGB colors, but when it comes to a case, I like something nice and even, something square, and it's white. So that is like perfect for me. So it just fits my personality. I'm a square. I'm not white though. Okay, old parts. Away you go. Man. What's nice is you can move these screws around. Okay, so these are almost in. My CPU was actually not fitting because when I lifted it up with the fan or the cooler, it bent the pins on the end. So I used my fingers to slightly bend them a little straight, but I actually did a terrible job, made it a little worse. So I wasn't able to put the chip in, but then my little knife here came in handy, and I just straightened them out, working them back and forth, taking my time, and I finally got it to fit. Just barely sits in there, so I gotta be very careful when. There it is. So usually your CPU should just fall in there, and then you can tighten it, but this one you have to kind of put it at an angle because the pins are a little bent. Hopefully that doesn't affect my performance, and I don't think it should. Alright, so it's all cleaned up and everything on the back looks good. There were a few slightly bent pins, but overall looks good, and I'm gonna install it. Remove the fan here. For the thermal compound or thermal paste. That much. Get this nice gunmetal cooler on there. Memory sticks. So it's pretty close to the sticks here. Hopefully it doesn't get too crazy.